To start off, we're currently in the AWS Management Console. Click on Services, IAM under Security, Identity, and Compliance, Users, your username, and the Security Credentials tab. If you've had access keys created for you, say when your account was created, they'll show up in the access keys section right here. Now if you'll notice, there's no way to display your previously created secret access key here. That's because AWS will only display the secret access key when it is first generated. So if you don't know your secret access key and you're sure that it won't have an impact on anything you've already configured for programmatic access, go ahead and delete your existing access key pair. And then hit the Create Access Key button. Your key will be generated for you and you'll have the option to download it in CSV format. Clicking on the Download CSV file button will download a file named accesskeys.csv into your download directory. You can also just click on the Show button and the console will display your secret access key. This is the only time that this option will be available. And we're done. To verify that it works correctly, let's go ahead and update our AWS CLI tool. First, we'll type AWS configure. Then we'll copy our new access key ID and secret access key into the terminal. Note your access key will change every time you create a new access key. So don't worry about keeping your old access key ID in here. If you've used the AWS CLI tool in the past, you can go ahead and press Enter to preserve your previous settings. And we've configured the AWS CLI tool with your new access key and secret access key. To test it, we'll just do a simple S3LS. And it works.